Hello, my name is Saloni. Currently, I am pursuing BTech at Marwadi University. Now, I am second semester of ICT at Marwadi University. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you about my project, and my project is Digital Dice, which is the subject of Digital Electronics. This video is guided by Parmar sir and also Mehul Kantaria sir. So let's see what is my project and how it works. So first of all, let's see what is digital dice. So this is digital dice with 7 segment display. In digital dice, 7 segment display that can generate random numbers. Digital dice has 1 segment display. It is LCD and it display real numbers from 0 to 9 and it generates random numbers from 0 to 9. Now let's see. This is the picture of my digital dice. In this box my circuit is there, and this is the box of my educate project, and here I combined both subject projects. This is the box of educate project, and in this box there is one circuit, and this is the circuit of digital electronics subject. This is the picture of my digital dice. Now let's see which are the components I used for my project. So let's see the components. First, 7 segment display LCD. In 7 segment display LCD, I used LT543 because there are so many types of LCD, but I used LT543. Now second is NE555 IC, third is CD4026 IC, and there are also 2 switches. Then I used diode and also resistors. There are so many resistors, so I used 10 kilo ohm resistors, 3, and also 2 33 kilo ohm resistors. Then I used capacitors of 47 microfarad, 0.47 microfarad, and also 2 capacitors of 0.01 microfarad. And also I used 9 volt battery DC power supply for the power supply, and also I implement my circuit on breadboard, and also for that I used some wires. Now let's see what is 7 segment display. See, this is the 7 segment display. There are 2 types of 7 segment display. First is common cathode and second is common anode. Second is common anode. In this project, I used common cathode. In this my project, I used common cathode 7 segment display of LCD. In 7 segment display LCD which I used, there are 10 pins in 7 segment display, which are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and common cathode and common anode, and also dot. This is dot, and this is dot pin. This is C pin. This is common cathode. This is D pin. This is E pin. This is G, this is F, and this is common anode pin, this is A pin, this is B pin. It is the 7 segment display which can display randomly 0 to 9 number, and it is display only positive numbers. If you want to display also negative number, then you have to use 2 7 segment display, one for minus sign and second for 0 to 9 random, and second for 0 to 9 random number. Now let's see what is NE555 IC. This is the picture of NE555 IC. There are 8 pins. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 pins. This is the timer IC. This is NE555 IC. Now let's see which are the pins there. So there are 8 pins. One is reset, third is One is ground, second is trigger, third is output, fourth one is reset, fifth is for controlling voltage, sixth is for threshold, seventh is for discharge, and eighth is for power supply. Now let's see how the pins are worked. See, there are 8 pins. So we can see different pins of NE555. Now we can see here 8 pins and its use. How we can use and what is use. So first pin name is ground. So first pin is directly connected to the power supply and ground supply. This is pin is the ground reference voltage. First number pin there is voltage is 0. Now second pin. So second pin is trigger and this is the for input trigger. When the voltage at this pin falls below half of count in voltage, 1/3 VCC except when counter is driven by an external signal. Now third one is output. We can output from the third pin. Now fourth one is input and also reset pin. When we have to reset the numbers, like first we press 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we have to display 0. Then we have to press reset button. So then we have to press reset button. So I use reset pin. Now fourth complete. Now we see fifth. Fifth is control. From fifth pin we can control the voltage. Now sixth is threshold. Now sixth is threshold. When the voltage at this pin is 100, then the voltage at counter pin ends. Now seventh pin. Now seventh pin is for discharge. This is an open collector output pin which can be used to discharge a capacitor between intervals in phase will output. Now eighth number pin is VCC, and the generated voltage range of bipolar timer is typically 4.5 to 15 volts. Now let's see circuit diagram of my circuit. It is the circuit diagram of my circuit. Here resistor of 10 kilo ohm, this is second resistor of 10 kilo ohm, and this is third resistor of 10 kilo ohm, which I already mentioned in components. Now here resistor is connected to 47 microfarad capacitors. For 47 microfarad capacitors of positive terminal, and the negative terminal of capacitor is connected to ground. Now second is 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is connected to positive. Then third one is 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now second 10 kilo ohm resistor is connected to third one, and third one is connected to capacitor of 0.47 microfarad. Now here sixth and second number pin of internally sorted. Now fifth number pin of we connected with 0.01 microfarad capacitor. One number pin we connected with ground. Fourth number pin we connected with reset for start switch. Eighth number pin we connected with VCC, and seventh number pin we connected with R2 and R3 resistor. Third number pin we connected with output, and this is also connected with 33 kilo ohm resistor, and also connected with first number pin of IC CD4033. In this my circuit, I use CD4033 IC. Now, this is the CD4033 IC. There are 16 pins. First, we connected with clock pulse. So for that, we connected with output of the NE555. Second one is we connected with 8 number pin, and second and 8 are sorted. Then we connect with ground. 14 number pin also connected with ground. Third number pin we connect with power supply. 16 also connected with power supply. Then we connect 7 number pin of IC4033 with 7 segment display. 7 segment display of 10 number pin. Then we connect 6th number pin with F of 7 segment display. Then we connect 7th number pin with G of 7 segment display. 11th number pin with E of 7 segment display. 9th number pin is connected with D. 13th number pin is connected with C. 12th number pin is connected with B, and also 10th number pin is connected with A. Here the connection of IC CD4033 with 7 segment display. Here also common cathode is connected with 220 ohm 220 ohm resistor, and 220 ohm resistor is connected with ground. Now here 12th number pin is also connected with diode positive terminal of diode, and in between there is 0.01 microfarad capacitor. Diode negative terminal is connected with switch, and first switch is between 3rd and 15 number pin, and 15 number pin is also connected with diode. Now here we can see this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Now here we have to apply 9 volt DC power supply. Now let's see how my project is run. So let's see my project run. So thank you.